Welcome to Chicken Genetics Shorts and Genes, where today we consider how many chicks we'd have to hatch to get a particular phenotype we wanted. By now you are probably getting familiar with genetic ratios, which tell you what proportions of genotypes and phenotypes to expect from any particular cross. Perhaps you even recognize a few of the more common ones. And maybe you've realized that the more chicks you hatch out, the closer your observed ratio will be to that which is expected from theory. If you've wondered how many chicks you need to hatch out to get a certain genotype or phenotype, you may have realized that it's a bit of a tricky question to which there's not really an obvious answer. There is, however, a branch of statistics that deals with exactly these types of questions. But I realise that the average chicken breeder doesn't need the hassle of working this sort of stuff out. I hope, though, that some of you might appreciate a lookup table that can help you to easily answer such questions. Let's say we're expecting a 9:3 to 3:1 ratio of phenotypes from a cross involving two genes, and we want one of those rare chicks. The chance of such a chick is 1/16 because 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 16. So we look along the top of the table for the column that is headed 1/16. Say we're happy to have an 80% chance of success for this hatch. Then we look down the column until we get to the 80% row. And we see we have to hatch at least 25 chicks. Now, stop the video and go slowly if you have any trouble following this. Now you've got this, it's time to try one for yourself. Let's assume that you've got a cockerel and some hens who are carrying recessive white, and you would like to produce some white chicks from them. From a Punnett square, you can see that there's an expected 3:1 ratio of coloured to white chicks. Stop the video and work out the least number of chicks you should hatch to have a 99% chance of having at least one white chick. Well done if you realise that you were hatching at least 16 chicks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please check out my other chicken genetics videos, which are all made in bite-sized chunks to learn about chicken genetics of interest to you and your breeding program.